Hey there! Today we're diving into an interesting problem that involves a concept in C++20 called constinit. The issue at hand revolves around the initialization of a string variable using constinit, which typically poses a problem due to potential dynamic memory allocation. Surprisingly, when we try to compile the code snippet with constinit and std string, it goes through without any errors. Quite perplexing, isn't it? Now, let's delve into the solution for this curious situation. The reason behind the code compiling successfully lies in the way most std string implementations handle memory allocation. Many standard library implementations utilize a concept called short string optimization, which means that if the string is short enough, it doesn't require dynamic memory allocation. This optimization allows the string to store characters directly within the object itself, avoiding the need for dynamic memory allocation. Solution aside, it's important to note that relying on the specifics of short string optimization for std string implementations can be risky. The exact number of characters that trigger dynamic allocation can vary between different standard library implementations. So, it's advisable to be cautious and not heavily depend on this optimization for your code. In summary, we've explored the intriguing case where constinit and std strings seemingly coexist thanks to the clever implementation of short string optimization. Remember, in a world of C++, there's always more than meets the eye. It's time to bid farewell, folks. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Keep coding and stay curious.